Solar brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's topic is corrosion. It is a continuation of electrochemistry. What is the meaning for corrosion? There is a metal is oxidized by the oxygen in the presence of moisture to form the rust. This process known as a rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is the best example for electrochemical cell. Corrosion, that is a metal, for example, iron, is oxidized by oxygen in the presence of moisture to form iron oxide. This is X times of water. Balance equation. Here how many oxygen? Is a 3 oxygen. Here is only 2. So here write 2 times. Here 4 oxygen. Now is a 6 oxygen. 3 times. X times of water. This name is called hydrated ferric oxide. That is a rust. This process known as a rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is the best example for electrochemical cell. This is a redox process in which causes by the deterioration of metal. This name is called corrosion. Result of corrosion of iron causes damage our building and bridges, etc. Next point, mechanism of corrosion. Mechanism of corrosion or theory of corrosion is a mechanism of corrosion is a best example for rusting of iron. That is formation of electrochemical cell on surface of metals. Corrosion occur at anode. That is at anode reaction. At anode reaction, what reaction takes place? Oxidation reaction. That is oxidation. For example, is iron is a solid medium. This undergo oxidize to formation of Fe2 plus loss of 2 electron. Here, E0 oxidation value should be equal to 0.44 volt. Here, iron is a oxidation state 0. This iron oxidation state plus 2. Oxidation number increases. This process oxidation nothing but loss of electron. This takes place at anode. Here is a momentum of electron from anode to cathode. Next, cathode reaction takes place at cathode reaction. Cathode reaction, what reaction takes place? Reduction reaction takes place. What is the meaning for reduction reaction? Is a gain of electron. Here, water vapor on the surface of the metal dissolve in carbon dioxide under moisture. That is CO2 react with H2O to formation of H2CO3. This name is called carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is nothing but is electrolytic solution. This electrolytic solution is a decompose will give the H plus ion. That is a H2O. Decompose will give H plus and carbonate is a 2 minus 2H plus. This moisture undergo decompose to formation of H plus and OH minus. This reaction takes place at a cathode. Cathode what reaction? This is a reduction reaction. Reduction means gain of electron. For example, hydrogen is a 1 electron gain to formation of H. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to formation of H2O. That is water. How many oxygen used? 2 oxygen here, only one. How to balance the equation? It's a 2 time. Now how many hydrogen? Is a 4 hydrogen. Is a 4 time. Is a 4 time. 4 electron. Is a 4 hydrogen. Is a overall reaction. That is a 4 H plus oxygen to formation of 2 times of water. So E naught value, that is a reduction 1.23 volt. Another one. What about is a overall reaction? This overall reaction. This react with this equation. This equation becomes 4H plus oxygen to formation of 2 times of water. So react with the ion to form Fe2 plus. Overall reaction, that is a Fe react with the 4 hydrogen plus oxygen to formation of Fe2 plus and 2 times of water. Here E naught value 1.67 volt. These are overall reaction. This ion converted into Fe2 plus, this reaction oxidation reaction. H plus converted into water, this reaction redox reaction. This reduction is both oxidation and reduction takes place. This name is called redox. That is a redox process in which is a deterioration of metal. Metal this undergo corrosion. This process known as a rusting of iron. So another, the Fe2 plus further oxidized converted into Fe3 plus. This Fe3 plus is a further react with oxygen. For example, that is a Fe3 plus react with oxygen is a hydrogen to formation of Fe2O3 tartar H2O. These are the reaction. Plus liberation of hydrogen gas. 4 hydrogen used is oxygen is a Fe3 plus converted into is a H plus concentration. Here now balance equation. Here how many ion? 2 ion is a 2 times. Here is a how many oxygen? Here 3 oxygen. Here 1 oxygen. 4 oxygen. So here is what 2 times. How many hydrogen? Is a 2 hydrogen. Here is what 4 hydrogen. So remaining is what? Here 2 hydrogen is a 2 H plus. This is a overall reaction. This equation becomes, that is a Fe3 plus react with water to formation of Fe2O3 tartar water plus H plus ion concentration. Same equation. This equation ordered balanced. How to balance the equation? Here how to balance the equation here? Here how many oxygen? Is a 2 oxygen. 3, here 1, here 3, 4 oxygen is a here 4. How many hydrogen used? 8 hydrogen. 4 into 2, 8 hydrogen. Here is a 2 hydrogen, remaining 6 hydrogen. Next charges. How many charges? 6 H plus. Here only 3 H plus. Here how many ion? 2 ion is a 2 times. 2 into 3 plus. So 6 hydrogen. In is a chain charges should be balanced on the both sides. Further, other metals, aluminium, silver, copper is undergo corrosion, but its rate of the reaction very slow than compared to the iron. Corrosion is the best example for iron, that is a rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is what example for electrochemical cell. Next, methods of prevention of corrosion. That is methods of corrosion. That is production of metal from the corrosion. Here, surface of metal not covered with oxygen, moisture and carbon dioxide by using the coating of metal with oil, paint, creases. This is the first point. Coating of metals with oil, paints and creases to prevent the corrosion. Second point, coating of metal with basic carbonate, that is a phosphate, carbonate or phosphate. For examples, Na3PO4 plus Fe to formation of FePO4 plus Na. Balance equation, common Na, 3Na, so 3 times. Balance equation. This name is called protective layer formed on the surface of the iron by coating of metal with basic carbonate, basic phosphate or carbonate to prevent the corrosion. Another point, carbonization. Carbonization is nothing but the process by which coating of zinc over the iron sheet. Here, zinc acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. Is easily get the corrode. Zinc is oxidized instead of iron. This process known as galvanization. Galvanization nothing but coating of zinc over the iron sheet. Another one, cathodic production. Or electrical production. Here, at anode what reaction takes place? Oxidation. Oxidation nothing but a loss of electron. Here we are using producing material. At cathode, using iron material. Here, hydrogen is what covered or collected at cathode, that is iron material, to prevent the corrosion. So metal used for protect on the surface of the iron. These are the metal called as magnesium, zinc, another one is aluminium. These called as sacrificial anode. Easily get oxidized. These are the metal coated with this iron to prevent the corrosion. Another one, passivation. Passivation nothing but the surface of the metal react with a strong oxidizing agent like nitric acid. Result of formation of oxide layer on the surface of iron to prevent the corrosion. This process known as what? Passivation. Another one, alloys formation or electroplating. Alloy formation or electroplating nothing but surface of the iron with non-corrode metal is what pasted. Non-corrode metal like nickel, chromium and aluminium. Best example, stainless steel. Stainless steel is nothing but alloys of iron and chromium. These are the method to prevent the corrosion. Corrosion is the best example for rusting of iron. Iron is oxidized with oxygen by using the moisture to form the hydrated ferric oxide. That is a rusting of iron. This process known as rusting. Rusting is nothing but electrochemical cell. Other example for rusting. First one, tarnishing of silver. Here, silver anglet is a white cluster. This reacts with H2S present in the air to formation of Ag2S and a liberation of hydrogen. One silver, so two silver is a 2 times. Common hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Here is a tarnishing of silver. Is a white luster is a converted into is what a dull component. This one example for corrosion. Another one, develop of green coating on copper and bronze. For example, copper reacts with oxygen in the presence of moisture and carbon dioxide to formation of copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. There is a green copper carbonate, that is a marasite. It is also best example for corrosion. So common copper, 1 copper, here 2 copper is a 2 times. Common oxygen 2, 3, 3 plus 2 5, here 3 plus 2 5. Common hydrogen 2 hydrogen, here is a 2 hydrogen. This example for corrosion. Another method, electrochemical series. Electrochemical series is nothing but a series in which arrangement of electrode in the order of increasing value of standard reduction potential, that is a SRP. For example, that is a half cell electrode reaction is a reduction potential. Measure in the E0 value. E0 value can be measured by the volt. For example, standard one, hydrogen H2, 2 hydrogen 2 times by using the PT. PT acts as an inert electrode. Here hydrogen react with the electron to formation of H2. It is a value 0.00 volt. This is known as what? Standard value. Nothing but SHE. SHE nothing but standard hydrogen electrode or single electrode potential. Another one, lithium plus Li. Lithium gain of electron to formation of Li is a value minus 3.04 volt. Next one, zinc. Zinc 2 plus converted into zinc by using the gain of electron how many electron? 2 electron to form zinc. It's a value 0.76 volt. Another one, In2 plus, Fe2 plus converted into Fe, that is a gain of electron to formation Fe, it's a value 0.44 volt. Here is a copper 2 plus converted into copper, gain of 2 electron to formation of copper, it's a value plus 0.34 volt. Another one is a copper plus converted into copper plus gain of 1 electron to form copper, its value 0.56 volt. Another one is a silver Ag plus converted into Ag, gain of 1 electron to form silver, its a value 0.80 volt. This value very important in both theory and NEET. By using this value, you have to determine EM of the half cell. If the values of E naught are greater, less tendency undergo corrosion. Greater the oxidation potential of metal, greater tendency to loss of electron, it is a more reactive. This name is called SOP. SOP nothing but standard oxidation potential or strong reducing agent. This is nothing but SRP. SRP nothing but standard reduction potential. This acts as a strong oxidizing agent. Strong oxidizing agent, another name called the oxidation power or oxidation character. Strong oxidizing character is a power or oxidizing agent, nothing but gain of electron, is a standard reduction potential. Is a strong reducing agent, nothing but loss of electron. This name is called standard oxidation potential. This element is more reactive because of greater the values of oxidation potential of metal, greater tendency to loss of electron is more reactive. For this value, greater the values of E naught, that is a strong oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is what? Nothing but gain of electron, less tendency undergo corrosion. By using this value, problem may be asked. Point number 1, greater values of oxidation potential of metals, it easily undergo loss of electron, is a more reactive. This is a point number 1. Point number 2, oxidation potential inversely proportional to the oxidation power. Oxidation power or oxidizing agent or oxidizing character all are same. Another point number 3, oxidizing power directly proportional to the SRP. You know that? What is SRP? Standard reduction potential. This is point number 3. Point number 4, if E naught value is greater, that is a strong oxidizing agent. This is a strong oxidizing agent, nothing but a gain of electron, less tendency undergo corrosion. This is point number 4. Next point number 5. Here E naught value, that is a negative. The redox couple act as a strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent, nothing but loss of electron. Point number 6. If E naught value is a positive, the redox couple is a strong oxidizing agent. This one is a strong reducing agent, is a positive means strong oxidizing agent. Strong oxidizing agent, nothing but a gain of electron. This is a point number 6. Another one is a point number 7. This is a electropositive character. Electropositive character, this order is a decreasing is a metallic character order by using some shortcut notation. That is a Lefs BC Mendel Chop. This is a shortcut method to write down the decreasing order of electropositive characters. Is a L nothing but lithium, P nothing but is a potassium, S nothing but sodium, B nothing but is a barium, C nothing but is a calcium, M nothing but is what? Magnesium, A nothing but aluminium, Zn nothing but is a zinc, is I nothing but is a iron, another one, N nothing but is a nickel, another one, T nothing but is a tin, L nothing but a lead. Here hydrogen not a metal but a line between Mendel and Chop, greater than the hydrogen. C nothing but a copper, H nothing but is a mercury, so A nothing but is a silver, another A nothing but Au, gold, another nothing but is what? P nothing but platinum. This is known as a decreasing reactivity of the metals. This one is a more reactive, this one is a less reactive. This is a decreasing order. For example, take any two, zinc and iron. Zinc react with iron salt. Which one is more reactive? Comparatively, zinc and iron is what? Zinc is more reactive. More reactive metal can displace a less reactive metal from the salt to formation of zinc sulfate plus iron. This one best example for displacement reaction or redox reaction. Here zinc oxygen state 0, this zinc oxygen state plus 2. This oxidation number increase mean this process of oxidation, this act as a powerful reducing agent. Here iron exhibit plus 2 oxygen state, this exhibit 0. Plus 2 to 0, oxidation number decreases, this act as a water reduction process, this act as a strong reducing agent, oxidizing agent. This act as a oxidation process, strong reducing agent, this act as a reduction, act as a strong oxidizing agent. These are the best method to displace the one metal over the another metal. Last point, determination of EM of half cell. For example, zinc converted into zinc 2 plus, loss of 2 electron, so E value minus 0.76 volt. Copper 2 plus react with 2 electron to formation of copper. So overall reaction, zinc, copper 2 plus converted into copper, is a zinc 2 plus. It's a value plus 0.34 volt. These are the overall reaction. This value, E0 value plus 1.10 volt. How to obtain? That is E0 cell, nothing but E right minus E left. E right, nothing but cathode reaction. Here which one is a cathode reaction? This one is a cathode reaction. Cathode means gain of electron. So here positive 0.34, negative minus 0.76 volt. That is plus, this 0.76, 34 plus 0.76. That is E0 cell 1.1 volt. That is a positive. The values of E0 cell is a positive or higher value, less tendency to undergo corrosion. Clear? Okay. Let us recap the is a corrosion. Corrosion nothing but oxidation of metal by the oxygen in the presence of moisture. That is a deterioration of metals. This name is called corrosion. This process known as a rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is the best example for electrochemical cell. Another one is a mechanism of corrosion. There are different types of mechanism. Here Fe2 plus converted into Fe3 plus. Another metal is aluminium, silver, copper undergo corrosion but less reactive. That is a rate of the reaction very low than compared to the iron. Next, methods of prevention of corrosion. First method, coating of metal with paint oil greases. Point number 1. Point number 2, coating of metal with basic phosphate. Another point, galvanization. Another point, cathodic reduction. Next point, passivation. Next point, formation of alloy. These are the methods to prevent the corrosion or production of metal from the corrosion. Another point, electrochemical series. A series in which arrangement of various electrodes in the order of increasing value of standard reduction potential. By using this value, we can find out the determination of EM of the half cell. If standard reduction potential value is what higher, is a EC2, loss of electron, this one is a more reactive. If the values of E is what greater, is a strong oxidizing agent. Strong oxidizing agent nothing but gain of electron, less tendency to undergo corrosion. One more important equation, that is oxidation potential should be equal to 0.0591 into pH. Reduction potential minus 0.0591 into pH. These two equations very important. This type of question may be asked the problem and 1 mark in both theory and NEET. Is how to practice all the type of concept and equation and get highest mark. Good luck.